All right, here we are, starting out. We're about 3 minutes into our hike to Mount LeConte. Yeah, well, this is kind of like when you're going on a marathon and the first 1 mile, everybody's going woohoo like that. It is exhilarating. We'll see how it goes. What mile would you say we are? Yeah. We're about, 40 minutes in.
Yeah.
Across the last bridge.
Yeah, and if it takes us 40 minutes to do the easy mile, we're in trouble.
Yeah. Okay, we got the GoPro running. Are you inspired? This is, I think, inspiration point. Maybe not.
Maybe. A lot of dead hemlocks.
Boy, this is sad.
We should be getting close if we could.
Yeah. Let me get in front of you, then I'll get behind you. I'm going to take a picture of you. And then I'm going to go ahead and get behind you and take a picture of me. Here we are.
Never, it's so bouncy and never.
We're broadcasting.
Well, thank you for that.
Okay, say something.
Reporting live from Allen Cave Bluff. We made it 1/4 of the way of our day hike. Why am I tired?
Look at your cheeks.
Are they red?
Oh, they're red as a beet.
An unhealthy red?
I don't know.
Oh well.
Okay.
This is hard on that lady.
So we'll do a little bit of hiking here like this. See some of the vistas. Well, we're getting different things here. Oops. Okay. Starting to get above some clouds here. Yeah. Here if you fall off. That's what happened to that person. They fell, and then they're kind of death in the Smokies. They fell 10 feet, and then they went another 60 feet. No. Okay, there she goes, wending her way up the cable. Whoop, there she falls. Ah. I'm coming. Okay, here we go. We're in video mode now. Video. Well, we are 1/4 of a mile above Allen Cave, and we have come across some real rocks. Yeah. Well, we've got a reprieve. We're above Allen Cave. It had been reported it's straight up the whole way, but this is a nice level spot, maybe downhill a bit.
Not nearly as bad as I thought it could be, but the worst may be ahead of us.
Yeah. But we have our hiking poles.
Oh, we got our poles, and our boots, and our backpack.
Hope so. We are now just over 1 mile above Allen Bluff or Allen Cave, whichever is your pleasure.
I think it's called Allen Cave.
Allen Cave.
Allen Cave Bluff.
Allen Cave Bluff.
It's been a grueling mile.
Well, but actually not as grueling as I expected it to be.
Yeah, but I started to feel some calf pain here.
Oh dear.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Trip report. The wife is smiling, but that is smiling through her pain. She is cramped at top to bottom. Somehow we've made it to the top here where the flat part is, to the Fairyland Balsam Forest, where it is calm and peaceful and flat. So we're going to try to rest some as we walk on the flat part. All right, the last steps down to LeConte Lodge. So how's the downhill? Because that's what we're dealing with now.
Good for you guys.
Now we just need to get down.
It was just a little bit more uphill after we've seen you guys, and then it flattened out.
Yeah. But she's had such cramps.
I know.
Didn't think to
Actually, I've
bring-
been cramping up a little bit too. I think it's because the wind, the cold.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that may be it.
Yeah.
Really wasn't prepared for that.
Yeah.
Well, good luck. Happy Thanksgiving now. Reporting from the top of Mount LeConte.
It was uncontrollable shaking.
You're in bad shape. Well, this one here, she made it.
I made it. I don't feel real victorious though.